This is the Ultrasonic facial cleansing brush. Now it comes with this little handy dandy stand. You just charge it right here. So you can pop that off. It's got a magnet, so it like magnets to that charger right where you need it. It's got 3 sections on this brush. And if you've not tried a sonic cleansing brush, oh my goodness, life-changing for the face. It feels so good. You literally feel your face tighten as you're going. I'm 54. I really am always on the lookout for some of the best youthful aging products I could find. So I'd like to thank Microderm GLO for sending this to me to review. I really do appreciate it. All you got to do is turn it on here. Just turns on and it immediately turns on, and you can increase it here and you can decrease it here. And you've got 3 sides here. So you've got this really soft side, which is kind of a bit of a polishing side. You have a little bit of a rough side that's kind of got these grooves here, and that's just really good for kind of just cleaning. And then you also have a little bit of a rougher side for really getting into the pores. Now this uses sound to get in there and like push all the dirt and grime out that's like kind of just hanging out. The cleaner you can get your face, the less makeup sits in those wrinkles and stops that whole process. So yeah, so this is really cool. Now you can use this as a part of the Microderm GLO kit. They have a microdermabrasion kit, or you can just get it by yourself. So check out their products. Fabulous company. So again, thank you so much for sending this to me to review.